Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing functions in Python. A function is a named sequence of statements which does a computation. Functions are used in a program since it helps to avoid code repetition, helps in code reusability and also in debugging. Python provides certain inbuilt functions like the print function which prints the input. There are also other inbuilt functions in Python like type, then len, which gives the length of the character, that is 2. Then there are max, which gives the maximum value of the character array, and there is a min, which gives the minimum value. And there are also some inbuilt math functions in Python. For that, we have to import the math library, import math dot cos of 0. This will find the cos of 0, which is 1. Similarly, for finding the log, math.log answer 1. There is also a random number generator, which is also inbuilt in Python. For that, we have to import the random module, then this function outputs a random number. Now we can see how we can write our own functions. First, for defining a function, we use the keyword def. Then we write the name of the function. The function that I am writing is a function which prints the parameter given into the function twice. Tab. The default tab space here is usually 4. Then we write the statements. Now we can call the function and give input for the parameter. It prints this 2 times. Similarly, we can also give an expression as input. It evaluates the expression and prints it out 2 times. Now there are 2 types of function. The function which does not return any value but only does an operation, like the function we have seen here, and a function which returns a value. The function which does not return any value is known as a void function. So we can see a function which returns a value. Here this is a function to find the percentage. It is here the function is defined def find percentage, and it accepts 2 parameters, that is the total and the marks, and it calculates the percentage. Now we can run this function. Okay, and we get the answer. In this case, the percentage is calculated by the find percentage function. So this shows the same sequence of statements can be reused. So in this video, we have just seen an introduction to the concept of functions in Python. Thank you.